assemblies from the system. Obviously when the part has been completed, your second part has been means after loading the part, you have to do some type of operation. Either it will be a facing operation or pocketing operation or countering operation. You have different types of operation are available. Whatever operation you want to follow, according to that you have to follow the do the operation parts. After loading the raw material, when the operation has been completed, then you have to unload it and send it to the second machine. So that unloading finished parts, it will be possible from this system, from this flexible manufacturing system. Then changing and setting tools. As you know that in a CNC machines there are a lot of tools have been there according to your requirement of tool. Suppose if you want if you do a facing operation, at that time you required a face mill cutter, and if you do a drilling operation, at that time you require a drill bit. Okay, so whatever requirement you want to do a operation, according to your requirement you want a tool, so you have to do its zero position. Means for different tool that will be a zero position will be different, so you have to do to machine zero position you have to do. So that will be possible by the help of this flexible manufacturing system. It can directly do the zero location, or machine did not know na ki from where it will do the machining operation, so it will be done by this also, means changing and setting tools. Then equipment maintenance and repair. So as we don't use this individually, it can be operated by the machine, so equipment maintenance and repair has been done by this flexible manufacturing system. Then last one is NC part programming in the machining. So whatever by the help of this NC machining part programming, you can directly operate the machine. Now layout of FMS: progressive or line type, loop type, ladder type, open file type, and robot center type. So there are various types of layout used in FMS. First one is line type, second one is loop type, means loop type, then third one is ladder type, then open field type, and robot center type. Now this is the first progressive layout. As you see that there will be a machine automated 1 2 3 4, that will be a workflow, it will be a direct contact. After the, if you load a workpiece, it according to this flow, whatever raw material you want to supply to the first machine or second machine, it will be the starting work part, and that after the first thing has been completed, now the last one is your completed part. So this will be a partially completed work part, means the red one is your partially completed, and this one is your parts transport system from which your respective raw material has been traveled. Okay, so this is your overall progressive layout. You can see that. Now this is second one is your loop. Why it is called as loop? Because you can see that it will be a go in a loop direction. Okay, that the whole system will be a go in a loop direction. As you see that the direction has been given here, direction of workflow, from which direction you want to send the workpiece. So you have to load it here. There are different types of workstation is being available in the station. So after means the red one is your starting work part, and the green one is your completed. After the whole process has been completed, the completed part is your in green. So you can send it to various machine in a loop direction. Okay, in a loop direction you can send it to your respective machine. Whichever machine you want to send the raw material, it will be sent in a loop direction. In progressive layout, what is will be done, it will directly in a straight direction it will go, but in loop direction it will go in you can say in a loop direction. Direction of flow will be a loop in loop layout. Now ladder types, as you see that it will be a ladder. Okay, the whole diagram is in a ladder, so you can load in the downward direction and it will go in a ladder type. Whatever, suppose it will go to the first machine, if you want to send it to the first machine, by the help of this ladder it will go to the first machine. After it will be completed, it will go to the second, then third, then fourth. Then after the whole part has been completed, then it will come to the last one, and completed part has been send it to the means final product you can achieve from this. So this will be a ladder type layout. Now the last one is your open field layout. Open field layout, this will be the fourth one. So after this you can see the green color there, you can send it to the raw material in a open field, means it is a open field means where you can send it directly, which in which direction you can send it directly, that will be a open field. Now robot center layout, this is your machine workplace, machine tool, this is a robot, in which direction you can send it, so this is your robot center layout. Now this is some types of images is present. You can see that in this diagram these robots are being used for loading and unloading the parts from the machines, from the CNC. If you clamp some types of job in the machine, as you know, if you working in a CNC machine, you can see that you have to do that loading and unloading part by manually. It will take a lot of time. So after the if you clamp some type of job, it will be done possible by the help of this robot. It will be controlled by the help of a computer. So by the help of the computer you can operate this machine, and by the help of this machine you can directly load and unload the parts from the machine, which will be possible by the help of these robots. So this will be the first example. In this also you can see after the first, there are different various type of machines, in which machines you want to load the part, load the workpiece, you can do it easily. The last one is, you can see that these are the various examples. Now last one is your application of FMS. Why we are using this FMS, flexible manufacturing system? First, metal cutting machining. So first one is a metal cutting, it will be possible here. Metal forming also possible. Assembly means whole completed product has been completed, you can do the assembly part also. Joining, welding like arc, spot and gluing, that will be also possible here. Last fourth one is your surface treatment. After the whole process or a whole assembly has been completed, you can do the surfacing part here, surface treatment you can do. Last one is inspection and testing. So the whole job has been completed, you want to do, send it to the inspection department, it will be possible by the help of this flexible manufacturing system. And last one is your testing, whether your job has been done properly or not, you can do the testing operation. So these are the all the applications which we will by the help of this we will using this FMS. Now what are the advantages? To reduce setup and queue time, obviously you know that by the help of this FMS, what we will do, we will not go to different machine individually. By the help of this FMS we can use the setup and queue time. Improve efficiency, obviously if we go to individually, not go to individual machines, we can send it to the respective machines directly, which will improve our efficiency. Then third one is your reduced time for product completion. So obviously it will reduce our time for product completion. After our product has been completed, means if I go to individual machine, it will obviously take me a lot of time. So obviously it will reduce the time of product completion. The whole means if I do that manually, then it will take a lot of time. But by the help of this flexible manufacturing system, it will done our work easier. So fourth one is your utilize human work better. So by the help of the computers or various softwares we are using to operate a machine, so by that we can utilize our work better. Then improve product routing, produce a varieties of item under one roof. So whatever tool, suppose I want a tool, okay, so I do not want to search that in various places. I can directly directly I can call that tool by the help of this flexible manufacturing system. So it will all the things are available under a one roof, that is written here. Product varieties of item like your raw material or your tool, whatever whichever part you want, you can directly call by the help of this FMS. Improve product quality, So obviously your product quality has been improved, because it will means you have do not have to do a lot of work in searching all that things, all that tools and workpiece. It will directly do clamp that your entire process has been done easier. Okay, your work has been easier. So serve a variety of vendors simultaneously, and last one is produce more product for more quickly. So obviously it will produce more product more quickly. Okay, whatever product you want, it will produce you more quickly manner, in a quicker manner. Now disadvantages of FMS: it will be expensive, substantial pre-planning activity. So whatever, whenever you want FMS, so obviously it will make you cost expensive. Okay, cost expensive. Now last one is your substantial pre-planning activity. So you have to arrange all thing in one place. After that you have to do a sequential planning, means first you have to do facing, drilling or grinding, whatever operation, whichever operation you have to use, you have to do a planning for that. So you have to do a pre-planning for that before use this FMS. So you have to do a planning, so that will become under the disadvantages. Now challenging with FMS: determining if FMS the best production system for your company. So obviously if FMS production system, determining if FMS production system for your company means, it will obviously it will be cost, means whatever production you are doing, it will do in a less time, you can achieve more production. Okay, so production cost will be higher in this case. Next one is possible expansion cost associated with implementing FMS. So obviously your possible expansion cost, whatever associated with this implementing FMS, so it will be higher. Then last one is your FMS is a revolution in the field of manufacturing technology. As you know that various parts we means in manufacturing we will do various mass manufacturing we will do. So in mass manufacturing will be easier in the field of this FMS. Okay, if we use FMS, flexible manufacturing system, we can use this field manufacturing. In the FMS, field manufacturing will be possible, we can easily done mass manufacturing. Then FMS can be designed to the meet of specific demand of each company. Whatever design you want in a less time manner, less time period, you can easily achieve by this FMS. Then FMS is used for multitask operation. As you know that mass manufacturing can be done here easily by the help of this flexible manufacturing system, it will be done easier. And last one is your FMS requires substantial investment of time and resources. So whatever obviously whatever time required in your individual individual operation, it will be take less time as compared to that. So this has been completed. With this we have completed our FMS topic. Thank you, have a nice day.